Welcome to RiseUpTV.com. This is Jim Hollinger. I'm your host today on your educational how-to station where we solve people's problems. And I've got three guests we're going to be working with tonight. The first one is Thelma. She sent me an email and she said, my house is being torn down. Can you help? And she's in a redevelopment zone and they're tearing down all the houses in the old neighborhood, replacing them with $300,000 to $400,000 homes. She said because of that, the landlords aren't putting money into fixing the houses, and the house is really cold. As a matter of fact, it's so cold that everybody sleeps with their clothes on and under electric blankets and space heaters. And the cat even jumps in on the deal because it's trying to stay warm too. And she's looking for help. And I said, Thelma, we can help you. And here's how we can do that. We provide solutions to today's problems. The middle class is disappearing. The poor are getting poorer, and we all need a way out of this mess that we're in. We're going to show you how to do this on a shoestring budget. If you are sick and tired of not having enough money and this economy has got you in a rut with no way out, I've got good news for you. You are about to discover how you can do the kind of work you enjoy, reduce your taxes, become debt-free, get paid for doing it, and start a part-time home business of your choice. I do not believe that you are here today by accident. I believe that everything that happens to me each day has a plan and a purpose. I may not know it, I may not understand it sometimes, but I do know that one thing is I'm here to help you right now. If what I have to say makes common sense to you and it gives you joy and peace inside, I'm going to invite you to join us. Most people that I share this with don't know how to start a business. They don't have the money to even start one. We can help you with both. We're going to show you a self-funding system. It includes how to start a business, daily webinars, live training, video courses, coaching, debt elimination. And if you have questions, all you have to do is pick up the phone and give me a call. We answer the phone. We also are going to be sharing with you the story of Mitch and Jen. Mitch is a retired Air Force, a veteran, and he wants to help the veterans. And this is Jen. She is a retired worker, and she's been trying to figure out how to replace her income because she's been teaching a Chinese Bible study for over 25 years to students who come to Notre Dame and professors who come to Notre Dame for school. But they found out that the English they learned in China, we don't understand so much over here. And so they take her class to learn English, and she gives them a Chinese Bible study, takes them around, shows them the area, feeds them each week at the classes, and she teaches 2 of those a week. Sign up for our webinar if you'd like to know more about the things we're talking about.